Losing more ground, this is what the firefight looks like. Crews undermanned and overmatched as tens of thousands of homes are threatened. The unstoppable inferno's devouring hundreds of homes like Kevin and Nikki Connens.
We lost everything.
The heartbreak is only matched by the size of the fires hopscotching through wine country.
It's all gone. It's burned.
A school that stood for 118 years, now a mangled mess of metal.
This year's fire season in California has been historic for all the wrong reasons. Some 4 million acres has gone up in flames and smoke.
Across the state, more than 7,500 structures have been destroyed, but the highest toll, 30 lives lost. Just as the air attack returns to the firefight, not everything is gone. A sheriff's lieutenant saving this home with a garden hose. And while the loss is immense, what's been saved is symbolic. Flames consumed this winery, but these firefighters protected the only sign of hope, today returning it to its owners.
In some communities where the wildfire has already blown through and is no longer a threat, neighbors return home for the first time. But far too often, this is what they find, what looks like a war zone or a movie set. But many say in the footprint of this rubble, they will rebuild.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.